guys, welcome back. All right, so I finally got my mail from when we moved and I had everything sent to my dad's house. This is months past of Ipsy and BoxyCharm that I did open last night, but I hadn't opened it prior to that. I hadn't even seen it. So what I'm gonna do is this video will just be on the Ipsy bag that is like 2 months behind. And then I'll do a next video. Oh my god. I'll do a separate video and I'll just do these two together. So this was last month's box and the month prior to that. I'm not going to bother swatching anything. This is just showing you the products that I got in my boxes, which variations I got. If you guys want to see swatches of any of it, the palettes, anything, please comment below, let me know, and I will totally get on that. I may do a first impressions on some of this, if I decide to keep things. Some things I may give to my daughter. We'll see if I don't like everything, so we'll kind of go from there. So I'm gonna hand these boxes to my daughter. Please don't drop them. And I'm gonna show you guys what I got in this variation. Remember, there's gonna be no swatching. So I did get the blue bag, which made me really, really happy because I really wasn't a fan of the yellow bag or the red one. So, and remember, this is like from like 2 months prior. So, yeah. So much fun. All right, so I got the Pacifica Tomboy Vibe Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. And as you can see, I started trying to pull this out. And, all right, so here, hold that like that, please. So there's this. My camera is like so like messed up. Okay, oh my god. Why? I hate the tape. Please also excuse the fact that I haven't painted my nails. There's so much going on right now that I haven't even really thought twice about painting my nails. So, yeah. Anyways, this looks like a cute little palette. Cute colors. So let me see. Here, I'll switch it. Oh my god. I need a wireless mic. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what the colors are. Starting from, I think we're going to do, which way is this going? Oh good, they're not even sequenced right, are they? Oh no, they are. All right, that's a little weird. Okay, so this one's Tomboy in the 1970, which one, I really like it. Pretty Vacant, Schooled, and Rebel. Now, if you guys want this swatched with the other palettes that I got, I don't have a problem with that, and I will do that. And I'll just do a big old video on that. But like I said, not what we're doing right here. Okay. And then I got the Pore Professional Pore Primer, which is a cute little sample. I honestly wish that these samples were a little bit bigger, but I get it. It's cute. Give it a try. Leave that for last. And then I got the Pure Brazilian Miracles Leave-In Conditioner. I am always up for leave-in conditioners, especially given the fact that I color my hair so much. And then I was super excited about this. This is a Jersey Shore Cosmetics Juicy Strawberry Moisturizing Rich Hydrating Balm. I had gotten the apple one of this, and I love it. Hello, camera. Maybe. Camera! Why are you not focusing? Really? Thank you. Okay, so I had gotten the apple one of this, so I'm super excited about the strawberry. And last, I'll hand you the bag. I got the Estate Lip Icing in Goody. So when I had originally seen that I was getting this, I was kind of like, okay. Wasn't really a fan, but look at this. I mean, it's like pretty amazing. I swatched this on my daughter last night, and it's honestly pretty cool. So I'm gonna give that a try. So that's gonna end this video. Like I said, not swatching anything because this is such an old bag. But due to my move, I didn't get it till yesterday. So that's going to do it for this really quick Ipsy unbagging. If you do want me to swatch anything, just let me know in the comments, and I do not have a problem doing that. Or doing like a first impressions type of video. So up next will be the BoxyCharm boxes. Same kind of deal. And yeah, I think that's it. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!